Imagine waking up every single day knowing you're earning $100 without doing anything. It's not a pipe dream, it's a realistic goal you can achieve. How? By building a portfolio of dividend-paying investments that work for you while you sleep. Introduce the idea of earning $100 daily through dividends, positioning it as inspiring yet achievable. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step plan to reach this milestone, even if you're starting from zero. Don't forget to subscribe to Path to Success for more financial tips like this video, and let us know in the comments, what would you do with an extra $100 every day? Why $100 a day? It's simple. It's life-changing. That's $3,000 a month or $36,000 a year in passive income. Think about the freedom it could bring, covering your rent or mortgage, traveling, or even reducing how much you work. For many people, $100 per day is the first big step toward financial independence. It's achievable, yet ambitious enough to keep you motivated. Imagine no longer worrying about unexpected expenses or feeling trapped in a job you dislike. That's what $100 daily represents: freedom and peace of mind. This isn't just about money, it's about creating options for yourself. Whether you want to retire early, start your dream business, or have the flexibility to spend time with family, dividends can make it happen. Let's break down how you can achieve this milestone in the most practical and realistic way possible. To earn $100 a day or $36,000 a year through dividends, you need to understand one key factor: your dividend yield. The math works like this. With a 4% average yield, you'll need $900,000 invested to generate $36,000 annually. If you find higher-yielding investments, like 5%, the amount you need drops to $720,000. But don't let these numbers scare you. This isn't about reaching the goal overnight. It's about consistent, steady growth. Start small, reinvest your dividends, and let compound interest do the heavy lifting. For example, let's say you invest $500 every month in assets with an average 7% annual return. With time, those contributions grow exponentially. After 10 years, you'd have around $86,000. After 20 years, you're looking at $240,000. By 30 years, you'd hit $574,000. This journey takes discipline and patience, but every dollar you invest now brings you closer to that $100 daily goal. Building a strong dividend portfolio starts with choosing the right assets. Here are 3 key types of investments. 1. Dividend growth stocks. These are companies that consistently increase their dividend payouts. Think of companies like Coca-Cola or Johnson & Johnson. Their dividends may start small, but they grow over time, protecting you against inflation. 2. ETFs, exchange-traded funds. ETFs like Vanguard Dividend Appreciation ETF provide diversification, which reduces risk. They spread your investment across multiple companies, ensuring steady growth and lower volatility. 3. REITs, real estate investment trusts. If you're looking for high yields, REITs are an excellent choice. They pay out most of their profits as dividends, making them ideal for passive income seekers. When evaluating investments, look at consistency of dividends. Companies with a long history of paying dividends are more reliable. Payout ratio. This tells you how much of a company's profits are paid as dividends. A healthy ratio is under 60%. Diversification. Don't put all your money into one sector, spread it out across industries. Remember, the goal isn't just to chase high yields. A balanced portfolio of growth stocks, ETFs, and REITs will set you up for sustainable, long-term success. One of the most overlooked secrets to building wealth is consistency. Regular contributions, even if they're small, create massive results over time. Let's say you invest $500 monthly into your portfolio. With an average 7% annual return, in 10 years, your portfolio grows to $86,000. In 20 years, it balloons to $240,000. By 30 years, you're sitting at $574,000. The magic happens because of compound growth. Reinvesting your dividends accelerates this process, creating a snowball effect. The key is to stay disciplined. It's not about timing the market, but spending time in the market. Set up automatic contributions, treat investing like a monthly bill, and watch your wealth grow. To stay motivated, it helps to map out your journey to $100 per day in dividends. Here's a simple roadmap. Start small. If you're just beginning, focus on building the habit of investing. Even $100 per month is a great start. Increase contributions. As your income grows, gradually raise your monthly investments. Reinvest dividends. Use every dollar earned to buy more shares, accelerating your growth. Track progress. Celebrate milestones, like reaching $10 or $50 per day, to stay inspired. Remember, everyone's timeline will look different. Some might reach this goal in 10 years, others in 20. The important thing is staying committed to the process. Achieving $100 daily won't be without challenges, but here's how to overcome them. Market volatility. Stocks go up and down, but dividends tend to be more stable. Focus on the long term, and remember that reinvesting during dips can boost your returns. Unexpected expenses. Build an emergency fund so you don't have to dip into your investments. Staying motivated. Progress might feel slow at first, but every small contribution matters. Keep visualizing your goal, financial freedom. The journey won't always be smooth, but the rewards are well worth it. Let's recap. To reach $100 per day in dividends, set your goal and calculate the required capital. Choose a diversified portfolio of dividend-paying assets. Invest consistently and reinvest dividends. This isn't just about earning money, it's about creating freedom and opportunities. Every dollar you invest brings you closer to a life without financial worries. If you found this video valuable, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and leave a comment sharing your first financial milestone. Together, we can all build the future we deserve.